This might be the easiest air fryer chicken sandwich you'll ever make, and this sauce makes it ridiculous. First, grab a chicken breast and some paper towels and dry it really well. Now, cover it with plastic wrap and give it a few good whacks until it's all about the same thickness. Season both sides generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Now let that sit for about 5 minutes while your air fryer preheats to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now give the chicken a good spray of oil on one side, drop it in the air fryer, and spray the other side. Air fry for 16 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway or until it hits an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This one was pretty thick and it took 18 minutes. Now here's a little trick to get that perfect bun. Spread a thin layer of mayo on it and toss it in the air fryer to 3 to 5 minutes while the chicken cooks. And wait until you see how stupid easy this sauce is. Mayo, sweet chili sauce, sriracha, and a splash of rice vinegar. Mix it up, done. Now let's build it. Sauce on the bun, pickles and lettuce down first, then the chicken. Bacon and tomato on the other half, and of course more of that ridiculous sauce right on that chicken. Look at that. Sweet, spicy, and messy in the best way. And that sauce, you're gonna want to put it on everything. So what are you putting on your sandwich? Drop it in the comments and check back next week for my next air fryer win. And thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.